We also followed the potential. I have shown you the potential for future growth and what is the expectation. And this is very, very strong coming from both the banks and the private sector. The private sector is saying they are seeing their own demand for credit rising. What can you do as a policymaker? You need to support them, isn't it? The referendum is a one-stop. And then on Thursday we'll have forgotten it, isn't it?
Central Bank Governor Professor Njuguna Ndung'u talking about confidence signals that the custodian of monetary policy had picked from the market, indeed reacting to them by cutting its own benchmark rate by a massive 75 basis points. And to vindicate those positive market signals, the Nairobi Stock Exchange, considered to be the barometer of the entire economy's health and outlook, defied expectations that activity will be depressed ahead of the referendum day, not only sending most prices north but recording a number of all-time highs. Among companies that marked or matched 12-month highs a day before the referendum includes Safaricom that at one point traded at 6 shillings and 15 cents, Scan Group at 41 shillings, Barclays 70 shillings, Housing Finance at 25.50, Standard Chartered at 288 shillings, and the Cooperative Bank also trading at 16 shillings and 80 cents at one point in the day. Market capitalization, or the value of all listed stocks, went up by 20.5 billion shillings, while the all-share index also hit an all-time high for the first time, crossing its January 2008 benchmark level of 100 points to close at 100.87 points. The performance is seen to be supported by the government's assurance of security throughout the process, while opinion polls have tended to suggest towards a positive outcome as favored by most market leaders.
The referendum. For us, we want the market to be confident that we're going to get a legal framework that gives the market the confidence. So that's all. What we want is to build strong institutions. But you cannot build strong institutions if you don't have a strong legal framework.
It now boils down to the actual ballot on Wednesday and whether or not the momentum so far built will be sustained. Samuel Kantei, KTN Prime.